today will be 13th of February, March.
I say from now on, me, I want to reconfirm this your date. Pause. Easy, what me today date?
Today na 13th
of March.
You know that when a Friday, the 13th of March.
Yeah.
What's in this man sit down here talk?
Is it 12th of February?
I don't know
which calendar.
I don't know.
Chinese calendar or
me and date. I don't get it. Anyway, on our welcome on top of the night show. Today na Relationship Friday, and of course, Pastor Ian, you don't sit down already. Make for discuss matter when we say Carrot enter studio today. Those of you who not take on a course yesterday, make on no vex. And so the matter. Before today, we go take on a course where, but
we must take on a course.
No, we go take on a course. Today's topic, it plenty well. But now after Pastor Ian, you go don't talk small before we go begin take phone calls. But before we start the show today, I say make I talk something. If you are a man there, you know you are a man. I have a proposition for you now. What's my proposition?
Neru, calm down.
No, make I give you the gist. Wait, you never know the gist. Easy beat. I have a proposition for you.
No.
What's my proposition, Pastor? Sorry.
Zero proposition. Mbore say baba wambe men now. Mate for daka. Ababa wambe mebo. Say utom bonye me yemitepe. Afo nam di feel about say me ndoko kofi no ro. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
I know, I understand. I understand everything we talk about.
So go meba.
Yes, that thing now. You get one girl for inside the Bodo, for inside which country be that again? I don't forget. For Russia. Her name na Elena Komleva.
Yours live Elena Kom.
Elena Kom. 29 years old now she be. The mama don't disturb her. You know, as women, they disturb. Give me grandchildren. Now, this girl now, nobody see her, the Russian lady. She can't go advertise now because of say she not get a boyfriend. We want Mariam. So, okay, for the mama to give her, for she to give the mama grandchildren, she the fan person will give them belly. So, she don't advertise now. See her there. Now,
you know how she go see person to keep and belly when you the whole pussy for body?
Now she the whole pussy. Now the pussy now. Now the branding. So then you know how it's not her pussy.
Oh boy, see her dick.
See her legs.
Who they ride for car?
The girl na big girl. So
why you find girl like this with this kind of body? No go find man to keep and belly.
Now they tell you, now no be say she no go find man. Now she dey advertise. So make her read how she take right time. He said, my mother needs grandchildren to give them all baby clothes so she can be collect. So that people go they give her baby clothes where she go they collect. Nobody wants to marry me yet. So if you are there, you are young, strong, and healthy, please drop your phone number. So therefore, if you did there now, you know you are a man. You have been wiping all your life.
No, me allow her go drop a number.
No, allow.
Triplet.
I'm not gonna need to go there. Go meet her for Russia. From here, allow go do.
He go kiss.
She go get belly. So therefore, if you are there now, bring your CV. Make we see your CV.
So that
we get this woman number. Agbef, if you know you can, bring your CV.
Don't marry
we
now.
can.
Okay, Agbef don't marry.
Don't marry now.
Agbef, it doesn't matter whether you are married or not.
Because it be like say money fit dey inside the matter. When you come meet one be say man, those kind of relation be say man.
See, you see. Oh, you don't get anything to do with it.
No, I just they talk now.
No, talk. I talking be say yes.
No, we just.
I talking be say yes.
No.
Now from there, now from you. So you know how imbecement take they do.
You know, I don't say.
So you know how imbecement take they do.
Say me ndoko ke say mu bo fi na dro, nyu bo mbo. Ide na dey say na mutem ke inwang. Ngo wang fi ndo. E mai de pe ka e ge to inwang e to do, e to fan bodo. Mo say na ke ni erudo ki de be modo. I think you get what I'm saying now.
Yes. I so therefore, if you are there now, you has the quality where this guy they look for. Send your CV.
No, you don't have
on top Twitter. No, at the place I don't want to have the quality.
No, easy bit.
No, easy bit.
No. They do know now. They do know.
Easy bit. When the religious kill him. Have start. Won't make them kill him. So therefore, send us your CV for our Twitter handle at Dublin. I should make we know whether you can handle it.
So
whether you're a man or not.
They can't give the girl the belly finish. Who could come there with the picking?
Now the girl now, that's not why you can't give him belly now.
So they go pay the man.
Now you not see her whole pussy. Now be she get pussy. Now you go wipe, go now. You not wipe.
No, that kind, you know, say, I want to say people, if you think small money, just add small money inside the matter.
This is the same matter. This is the same matter.
What's wrong with them?
Anyway, una welcome fully to the night show. For today, on top of the night show, since na relationship Friday, the matter we go talk about today. Some of una they suffer am now.
Una fit no one talk.
Una fit no one talk.
But I know, we know. Me and Neru is not flesh and blood. I can reveal it.
No. The spirit. The flesh and blood cannot reveal this to you.
It cannot.
Except you are in the
spirit.
For you to know. You have to feel it from the spiritual realm. Our topic for today now wives and mother-in-law.
Gbam.
Wives and mother-in-law. Story. Anyway, now for you now we back more chicken break. Hand over to Easy Bit. When we come back, we go down ready to enter the matter.
Then talk to you.
Welcome back on top of the nation. Finally, make we hand over to the able Pastor Ihianyi. Make we not forget Pastor Ihianyi book very soon. Go soon come out.
You go see I'm here. We go open and read small part of the book.
You go there everywhere for you to feed by. Anywhere we did for inside this world, you go feed by. And those of you who watch us from Germany, Canada, France, everywhere, you go feed by the book. But anyway, make we hand over officially now to Pastor Ihianyi. Make him handle this matter. Wives and mother-in-law.
Una carry una pen and paper. Pencil, pen and paper.
Easy Bit.
Thank you. God bless you.
No, Easy Bit never get mother.
We know say that thing no be reclap. We don't know say so no be today. But it's okay. Thank you. So I just enter you small before we start. Okay. All right. Nedu and Katim, thank you guys very much. This matter we want to talk today. For Yoruba, they talk Ulagbara.
Ulagbara.
It's a heavy this thing.
Something.
All right. So wives and mother-in-laws. But before we enter the real mystery, you know, say now wives go become mother-in-laws.
Yes.
But before we reach there, all the wives all want begin when we talk about mother-in-law. We could just remind them, say now them, they grow up to become mother-in-law. So that being said, we can start the story well. Mothers get more attachment to their sons past their fathers, especially when the son can begin show interest to one special lady. And it's not the intentional. It's just be like where we get 4 girls, 1 boy. And that 1 boy can they try, you know, if they walk, if they earn, if they love you, then suddenly, anytime when they tell you saying love you, they tell you about the person when in love now. So the matter don't shift. The way where men, we could discuss this one soon, the way where men they feel when wife just born.
Okay.
Where husbands they feel, where they know they talk. Where wives just born, and then wives, and then wife suddenly the attention na the baby. People go come, greet and pass, come meet baby, follow am G small, collect drink, come back to baby, G small, cut out, leave am. So you just dey, now you just be assistant houseboy, just there they make sure say, you know, after a while they pain am, but no discuss. I just want to do intro. See G.
They don't find am. I said I don't look at things. This one.
So the same thing with the mother. When the boy don't begin, they grow, they big, they talk, say, and especially when maybe they like to talk about the girl a lot. The fear be say, this girl just come. I don't dey take care of this boy since he's small. Who be this girl? Where he just meet. And then they do like say...
He won't die.
Yes, they do like say, in the rush. I call and make you come, make we talk. In the rush, saying gas to meet. Yeah.
Make I quick ask you, Pastor. Now the same thing women they feel with their daughters.
No, well, men they're relatively understanding. You know, men know the two. You know when two men they do fake quarrel this morning. By night we don't talk again. Would they try even remember what we take quarrel for morning?
Okay.
But when woman and woman they quarrel, you know if you read generational something,
It even cause war for
they
some
feel
kind
they tell
countries.
their children, say, see these people.
Not near them.
You see these people.
I don't want to
So
see you
when
there.
the children know they talk, they don't know why. Now their parents were quarrel. Now there are two mothers were quarrel. The children don't even know why. They just tell them, say, see those people. No, follow them talk. If you follow them talk, you go offend me.
And you don't want to offend me.
Yes, your mother.
You don't want to offend your mother.
So when the boy don't big like they talk, the woman will come, the mother will feel say, now when don't grow, and now I suppose even can enjoy him. Then now one woman, when maybe can see the girl, maybe now corporate executive, or they're very flashy, or they're very, you know, just they look. You know, more than 45% of the time, no choice of a son is usually good enough for a mother-in-law. Statistically.
I don't understand the English.
It means, say, 45% of the time out of 100 people in research, 45% of them, their mother-in-law no accept
Whoever they marry their daughter.
Yes.
They not greet them.
Whoever they bring, whoever their son bring,
You know, good for
it's
their
no good for them. Even if sometimes they even know, say, the boy they genuinely happy. Because the issue not be about the marriage. The issue not about the relationship with them. That is why what we discuss today, now wives and mother-in-laws. Wives don't know sabi catch their mother-in-law. Now then don't draw battle line.
See, now me and you today we die.
And you know say this kind battle, make I ask a question. Boats capsize and on a day for I'm sure they don't hear this one before. And your mother dey inside water, your wife dey inside water for man. Who you go save?
Yeah, I go save my wife. Oh. My mother don't born me now. I go first save my wife.
Why guy here come?
They don't answer now.
That's how you
Now,
know.
be man. They don't answer.
Who you go save?
So
I'll
it
save
remains.
my wife. I'll save my wife.
You go save your wife, Abi?
Yeah, I'll save my wife. Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, my reason being the fact that momsy don't try. She get so if I say make I
So now some mom say suppose end.
no, now you can't even make me feel like that is bad guy.
No, I just ask. No.
Momsy don't get in like that. Momsy don't try. So even no, so kind momsy even tell me say, guy, free me, save your wife.
No.
I don't try for you.
No, she don't talk down. Now
No,
you
I
go
say
sit
momsy
down
go
now
fit
for the
claim
film
me like
now.
that.
No,
Now you under one. Now you under
no,
one.
now he's a tell person he say, no. If it happens, say, you know him, mama say, mama
Momsy
fit
go me
tell
a place
him.
me, guy, free me. Take care of your
So
wife.
that can't Titanic like this.
That kind of thing.
I'm gonna leave Titanic for this matter. You know, so I have to talk this now. And don't be say the mother no happy for the son. Now just say somewhere inside, you know, get that kind of control over the son.
again.
Like yes, in they look say, you know, he don't come, he just sit down. Now they just send and text, say, I'm having a slight headache. Say, Mom, I need to go, man. You know, say she the guest, make I just reach her. Say now 9 o'clock. Say now why I supposed to see her before I
You
go?
just come
You don't go chop.
You not go chop.
He said, don't worry, I go chop for road. Oh, now road did they chop now?
No, make a reach as madam.
Oh, now road did they chop now, Abi? You don't they chop bar everywhere now because girl don't they, upon all the food I don't they give you for this house.
And that kind of the mother will come and say, hey,
No, you just sit down. You go first sit down there.
You go
You
begin
can't,
cry.
you can't just do like this. Just, you know, just do like this first. Then anybody says to me, I said, nothing, they go now. They go. I can no cook for you now. I don't know what I do you. Whether, you know, how this thing, how you just forget, say, na me born you. It's okay, they go. When we see now, we see. Abi, because at this rate now once a month they come. These ones where you don't come now, they don't come take you from me. I don't know how you want take me. And I reverse psychology. Those are those things, eh? Now, you know, say, women, eh?
What's it?
How can I find getting in trouble? Women, eh?
You know, say I
are-
go agree. If not true, I agree.
women are wired to be needy. And no be bad thing. But it just be say, when it comes to wives and or mothers, Now the pikin they still they see. Forget suits, forget in jeep. Now still their son. And then suddenly, somebody where they don't get absolute control over, can't take over his mind.
Brain, in mumu button.
So they hard. And the reason why we take time to explain this, we say, make wise where they in this situation understand how it they happen. You know me say mothers just sit down become witches or sit down become devils.
No, but how you know say I get question. Some you dey hear also all kinds of things where they happen for inside wife and mama
Matter.
You get one when I hear say even sometimes the husband mama they even enter the bedroom.
Yes, but you see that.
No, you go tell the wife, may excuse them.
It depends on the nature of the relationship. That's how they talk. It depends on the nature of the relationship. For her mind, now she be the first woman. So the wife the husband go need to understand, or the wife go need to understand, say, they compete to become a mama.
But what they surprise me for this whole thing between wife and if I not gonna give you this matter, not be my matter. I don't hear gist where battle line don't they draw. Okay, one house where they give me gist. They say every time with the man of the Green State Village. Every time she did Lagos. And she not they chop the food where the wife they cook. She they cook her own. And if the wife cook food for the husband, she go cook for the son.
Make it choose.
So now the guy they always they confused. And the guy not fit begin mama, he not fit begin wife.
You know fit to begin mama.
Do you understand?
Because maybe you can't think, maybe one could just remind them, say, remember how SS3 take happen for you? How you take go jam?
So, so in that kind of situation now, when you do your spin, because men, I can imagine, waiting the man supposed to do now.
You see, you just they jump this thing.
Jump.
No, I'm not going to answer now. In this kind of situation, I'm waiting the man go do. Now the man job to help the wife understand, say, now two of them they one side. Now mama did the other side. Because sometimes when the man play neutral, the wife self go come begin feel say, so guy,
you're not even taking my side. You just stand there like statue.
My mother, your mother robbed, and then you go become a mother. Not be a mother again. Your mother robbed a boniki on our child. The boy they sweat. I say no. She make I shut up, so I don't know anything. So me that is your wife, I don't know anything about our children. If you don't deal with this thing well now, you go choose.
Hey.
Go and deal with it. Go parlor now. Go deal with them now. Come back. Go.
When we go market, we go.
Anyway, then we go market, we dey come back.
We go deal with them. So
we dey go deal with them, we dey come back. Okay, welcome back on Sunday Night Show. We dey discuss matter wey concern wives and mother-in-laws for Relationship Friday with Pastor Inhayi. Moko hand over again to Pastor Inhayi, make it continue on top of the discussion of this matter before we begin take on our calls now.
Before we go break, we discuss one matter now where the wife don't get small insults from the mother. And now to deal with those kind of things, now the husband job to step in, because sometimes if na mommy's boy, if na those very serious mommy's boy, you know go fit harassing mama, and then you know one harassing wife. It go come there for me to they play neutral. And for those kind game, now the older tiger they win.
The mom winning the mama of the boy.
Yeah, now the older tiger, because now then don't take for this game. Then gets more blackmail, psychological blackmail.
So, I've been paid one picture when it go outside when somebody why I know the why I hear gist a long time ago. And that's either two or three different scenarios. Nine the guy paint for me. Obviously this guy there on the wife side. Waiting be the gist. Some of them will not hear the gist why gist. The guy, then they Lagos here for then they Lagos yes,
no mention anything.
And then they Lagos yes, not being the wife. For those of them here, the mother of the boy come. Whenever they take calls, mother wait. The mother can't come Lagos. As the mother come now, the wife. Sorry, now the wife now go open door. Mommy welcome. Then the guy is saying wear normal inner t-shirt. That t-shirt normal BYC t-shirt. Then come wear boxers. Mommy welcome. Immediately when the mama say, okay, the mama first see the woman. Thank you. How are you? Come face the son. Ogini, are you not eating? Look at your neck. Are they not feeding you? Look at your neck. The lady not talk now, so she waka come out. This thing are going towards evening. Now she won't come go inside.
Now this man we know the sit down village.
Wait now. Wait, no, that one. Vivian. So I don't call the name. I don't call their name. I don't call the other one name. Then later in the evening, she can't go inside kitchen. Make she go cook their normal night food. Not being the mother can't enter inside kitchen. No, it's not supposed to be like this. You have to go to do this and you go to this one. Mommy, but this is do you know what I've been giving to him since he became this big?
Yeah.
That now one. She said every time when she do finish come off for her, they not get made. Every time when she do clean house, the man will come. If it's a dining table, did they clean this dining table? You understand? So take the wife. I mean, how you go take
like what did they happen there? Now the two women where they fight for the man attention. And the only way to see now that's the thing. Because people just assume, say, because now your mama, now she born you, she don't need your attention. And when it happen like that, it just means say the man supposed help his wife understand, say, make we contribute, give mama small attention. Make she know, say, no fight. Her place as your mama, no go ever there in contact. I no one become your mama. I be your wife. I know did that league. My level they completely. I'm your queen.
From mama level.
Yes, you did advisory capacity, and now me they run Senate because for me that's what they call wife. Wife now be the real Senate president. You know, so advisory capacity. Now I mean you go here and but you don't mean say you go change anything.
But then they call their wife now mommy.
And those ones, yeah. I did hear those things. I know mommy. I'll be right or daddy. I say, what's happening here? Are there daddy issues or are there mommy issues? Where is your husband, your daddy? Is he not your husband?
The mom is our daddy is not back. Our daddy who?
It's your daddy, kwa. That's problem. Oh.
Anyway,
you know, so,
in case you want to join us for the next show, topic we discuss now wives and mother-in-laws. When I begin to call us now, make when would they take on a matter on top, on our own problem or issues on top of the matter. Still hand over to Pastor.
So when both of them they argue, like when my uncle come talk say dining no clean, he just want be like say him to contribute for the matter. You know, say ultimately. Before people think say all mother-in-law are devils, you know they get some places where adults go there see, picking on top mountain no go see. So sometimes mothers they see, not say old tiger was once a small tiger. Game, see, game no game. Once incident like this, one girl where just come up from bush, catch one oil boy. The mama for her own time been play that game. So the mama see him. Wait for him and then go bedroom together. The mama mark him for door. He said, they look you. He said, look, I know this game. If you know, arrange yourself. I go tell my son, make it the way bulletproof every time because you go use speaking one catch and I know you. I know this game. I don't see this thing before, this purple sock. I don't see this game. If you play this game with me, I will work on my son and I will work on you. Are you hearing me? So move on.
You don't enter chess game.
You mark him for door. As you come back, you follow and they just again for table. Hey, how are you? They follow. They look and they laugh. Say, you think I don't know you? You move me, I move you.
It be like, what's it called that thing? Queen and king.
So sometimes mothers, especially mothers, they don't get plenty experience. They know when they see them. They feel see through the insincerity. They just they laugh. So now joke with the joke here. You want to come and play with my son. When they enter kitchen, you just close kitchen door. They say don't joke with him. I don't joke with him. No be play. He's my son. So if he's going to be your husband, you had better take him seriously. Are you hearing me?
Yes, ma.
Just enter Paul again. Form laughter again. Ah, this is now.
Where is this?
You know you don't say that too. That is
Where is this? Maybe I name na
You
Vicky.
don't-
Oh, Vicky,
I
darling.
bring this food now. I missed you. Vicky too will just come, draw a plate. They look and we collect the food. Vicky.
Our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Now make you begin call us. People get your own matter, your own thinking, your own issues on top
Never-
wives
no.
and mother-in-law.
Wives and
wahala.
mother-in-law.
We see they on top of them.
Speaking get rash. He said, what's this rash? You know, the wife will just look and laugh. Say, Mama, children, they get rashes now. Because if you want full and play smart, you go come, then you come begin to say, you know they take waiting, yes, serious. So wives now even supposed play down a bit, especially.
He get issue now. Why?
This
Just
is
come my
like
mind.
this.
He get issue just come my mind
See
now.
as your eye dey shine.
Matter of when mother-in-law come around, they come do omugo. Or for example, the husband mother come when after her mother don't come go. Now maybe the pikin belle dey worry am. The mother go come tell say, "Mba, e mix nnu with the money." Mix meaning say mix red oil with salt, give it to him. The woman fit say, the girl fit say, why will I do that? No, I'll just go and buy one drug in the chemist. Saying, this is what I gave my son that is became this big. Give it to him.
Yes.
In those kind issues, situations, how you go handle that kind
You
of thing?
see, sometimes that's where the wife wisdom go come in.
Umaru from Ota, sorry. Umaru from Ota, good evening. Umaru.
Hello.
Because your
Umaru,
TV
how
dey
now?
on.
Your TV day on, I beg, call us back. Thank you. Continue, Pastor.
You know,
Now their
their wisdom supposed come in, because if you render her wisdom useless, waiting she go render useless for your own side.
Hey, good.
because you don't talk say give am palm oil. You go gauge am, you know, she no go out of her way to kill the pikin. You know, so you go gauge waiting go dey safe. So you go say, Mama, now your pikin now carry help, you know. So you go just there for corner, they watch am. As you do the first one, you leave am, you know. Maybe hours later, the pikin will just be permanently with you. Then you go don't get your own drug. But you go don't let Mama know say, we don't try your style. Oh, Mama, thank you. Even if you give the drug, picking drug and picking get better, you go thank Mama, say na in wisdom, na in solve the problem. You go just say, Mommy, now wow, you be doctor.
Vera from Warri, good evening.
Also, the mathematics dey
The
too much.
mathematics there. Vera,
I
good
dey get
evening.
headache.
Say, Mama, you be doctor.
See though?
Vera,
Yeah.
hello?
Hello.
Vera, good evening.
Good evening.
I beg, you get any question to ask Pastor as this matter we dey discuss wife and mother-in-law?
The question when I get to say, as he comes to say, mother-in-law take to.
We not dey hear you well. Network. Aye. Vera, call us back, I beg, no vex.
E be like say you stand outside when breeze
If
dey
you like
blow.
say you don't top Okada, call us back, you hear? Go inside the house. Agbe from Makodi, call up, make we know with you. Good evening, Agbe.
Good evening.
How you dey?
Agbe found now.
I dey tell you,
Your wife dey cook abi?
they cook there.
Okay.
They cook.
Which question you want to ask Pastor this evening?
Boss, good evening.
I want drop my number for that woman.
Agbe, bye-bye. No way. Bye.
Hello.
Agbe, bye-bye. You not collect woman number. You are a married man. Come
I
on, go.
want drop my number now. I want drop the key.
Go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey, Agbe.
Bye-bye. Pastor, continue, Joe.
I bet see business
Can
opportunity.
you imagine you? And your wife, they cook. God will judge you. Madam, you are there. Continue.
You know, so now their wisdom will come in. For people who don't think say with our mother-in-laws they bad. No, if this thing continue to next week, we'll go and explain where sometimes now the son were the outside. Now the mother-in-law and the wife will be 5 and 6. Sometimes they click like that.
Exactly.
So we know they talk say all mother-in-laws.
No.
bad.
Now you're some kind
Yes,
special case.
but-
Hello, Tayo, sorry. Tayo from Abuja. Good evening, Tayo. Sorry, Pastor. Okay, sorry.
Some kind special case.
Yes,
We say they
where,
bad very well.
and when it happen like that, it they bad. It they bad.
You know, they happen like that.
You never see where. You never see
I
where.
tell you, I'm not going to just, hey, I don't mind him. We are different. I'm going to just corner the look.
12 them will come turn 5 and 6.
12 them will come turn 5.
Sometimes when he hot.
So in
Sometimes
a good way, though.
sometimes when he hot, now them the boy go come sleep for parlor because anywhere he go, na heat. So
If you go in mama room,
get out. That's how I brought you up. Get out of here.
If you come with
But
madam.
the wife could just look at. So for your mind now, you be man. Come out here.
Abba from Zaria. Abba.
Nedu, how you doing now?
I did fine. Abba, how you doing?
Well, I did fine.
Which question you get to ask this evening?
Hello?
Yeah, Abba, would they hear you?
Yes, I did hail pastor, I did hail him.
Hey.
You get any question?
And my question be say, waiting be that problem be say with that our in-laws, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
I bet pastor fit talk anything maybe say them will know say this life na husband and wife life. May they know they interfere. If they want interfere, may they know the kind interference where they will interfere.
True.
And the thing.
Yes.
All right. Abba, thank you very much.
When I talk to people, we dey always tell them, say, what God has joined together.
Let no man put to surrender.
Let no man put asunder.
They do now. Sunday, even me, say if I
But
know
you
that
see,
one.
but you see, as a day globally and as a day Africa, are two different places.
Yes.
In Africa, when you marry, they go tell you, say, you don't marry his family.
Family.
When they take care of you, they take care of your family too. So sometimes now when he buy you phone, your younger sister come holiday, he buy a phone.
Sorry, make we take this call. Hey, yo,
This one was when you told me first now. Hey, I know some people.
Hey, yo.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Good evening, hey, yo.
Hi, yo.
Good evening.
Yeah, I want to contribute for the matter. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, contribute.
contribute.
They hear you.
I want to contribute for the
Oh,
matter.
hey, yo. Can you so tell me now?
Contribution now, again.
Okay. So, concerning what you said about mother-in-law, because
Yes.
not all.
Precisely.
Yo, not be all.
Precisely.
Yeah,
I agree with
not
you
all
completely.
they do like that, because sometimes, like the one I have a friend like that, and the mother-in-law comes to Lagos, so they are not much problem with her is not coming up. So,
Oh, at all.
two good time. The wife and the mother-in-law and the wife, they are good. We are in good time. So
Okay.
you don't have anything. You spend like a year with them, and they go back and they come back.
Yes, we agree with you completely. Mama could talk am now before people think say.
Hey, yo, thank you.
Please, we don't mean say now all mother-in-laws.
No, we
No
don't
be
talk
all.
am before. say
Most
no,
of them
be
no
all.
feel be like this.
Of
But
course.
those ones where get problem, make we help them now. Before we begin talk those.
When
I
they
mean,
okay.
people, plenty
Even
people.
some they pretend now. Don't tell of it pretend. Some mothers-in-law they
some
pretend.
wives and mother-in-law. Now them be 5 and 6. Now the mother-in-law they give the wife the husband mumu number.
Philo from Wari, may if I do this thing, he will
Yes,
fall
he
for you.
would, yes.
Philo, good evening. Philomena. Philo?
Oh, Diego.
Continue, Pastor.
Okay. You know, so sometimes they happen like that where the wife, but when we talk, we say the issues where wives and mothers they get. The question when you ask, say, what will be the problem with wives and mothers? Both of them get vested interest in that one commodity, and then be the husband, slash son. So when we say till death do us part, some mothers know they fit now that maternal instinct. They know they fit leave and say some of them go even know say the boy don't 30, don't 35. They will say, make I still send them small soup. I don't know whether the soup, but then they give them good for him. And then when he and he go collect him, he no go fit say no. When he reach house, he no go know how to explain to his wife.
Say, Mama, keep
Say,
us
nah,
soup.
you know, so you could just keep the soup somewhere inside fridge.
Make
Not
yours
till
your
day-
own with the other soup.
Not to the day they expose her. Why would I say, no, me cook this thing? Say, I don't know how, I don't know how I won't tell you. You know, but mommy, the other day, I see mommy use the other day.
Vera,
Mommy,
the other
the mainland. How you take care?
Vera. Good evening, how you doing?
Hi, thank you. How are they?
Vera, something they wrong with your network. Go where you there outside?
They're inside
You there inside where?
the room.
Oh, you talk what you want to talk. Ask the question what you want to ask.
Your fan they on.
I they ask question.
Say,
That's why I couldn't get
Vera, we're not here with you to talk. Thank
call
you very
back.
much. Call us back, I beg.
Oh yeah,
Call us.
change your location. Leave your
Go
bedroom.
to person phone, call us. Continue.
Maybe co-parlor also.
So sometimes it happen like that. So in don't know how to tell him say so and that now when the man no want take decision on who they important. They are both important. But you need to clarify.
And no need to feel guilty.
Yes, you need to clarify, say, when you marry, now your wife be your top priority. Make your mama know. Make your wife know, say, you get mama. Let your mama know, say, you don't marry.
Don't marry.
So how the agreement go be go different. You feel not tell your wife how we want the do am. Monthly, quarterly.
How would they send money?
How want the do am. Sometimes even if it turn them to her project, make it take bond them.
If I am from Orile, good evening.
Yeah, Nedu, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
Are they fine? Oh?
I beg now, which
How
question?
are they?
Would they find? Which question you get to ask Pastor?
Yeah, my pastor.
Sir.
You know, say my namesake.
Okay. Nice one.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, wait. The question what I want to ask.
Yes.
La true say not be all mother-in-law, but majority that I tell you, my brother, for waiting me I don't see, and waiting me I don't hear. Majority they guilty of this thing. In a situation where mother-in-law and the wife never even see eyeball to eyeball, even a single from the day the girl enter the house, the date. What can the just man do? Waiting the
What
wife.
can the just
Because
man do?
where the mother-in-law and the wife they get arguments. Now the man ain't the suffer the whole thing. You know?
Abi?
You see,
Now the man ain't the suffer.
yes.
So where the man, the husband, the wife and the mother-in-law never see eyeball to eyeball. Waiting the man go do.
Okay. Make I answer you. Hang up. Make I answer you.
Okay.
All right. So how this works is simple. When man they marry, if they live in mama and papa house, go in your own house, go stay with your wife. So if both of them they see eyeball to eyeball, now them go they visit mama till further notice. But you go arrange them in such a way say if you want go see mama, make you no leave the wife for house because it never solve the problem. Mama go happy when if only and come.
If only
I know
and
to
come,
send them
you know,
already.
I know even
So you just come, but it gas to carry because if man no fit see for man family. Now the man go protect the woman.
Of course.
The woman no to get especially in African
Anything
culture.
for the man
you know,
family.
yes,
Because
you know,
now new person now inside their
the
family.
way person see you treat your papa, now they go treat him.
From Sulure, sorry,
way
Pastor.
person-
Sorry, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening, my dear Furo.
Yes.
Which question you get to ask Pastor this evening?
Okay. Pastor, hi.
Hi.
I just want to contribute
Okay, please.
that some mother-in-laws are really nice, and I give it up for my mother-in-law. I married a Benue man,
Okay.
and the woman just, in fact, let me just say, fell in love with me. And it gets a time when my husband go dey vex me, I go tell the momsy to like talk to her. The woman go they do like say, okay, I will talk to him, I'll talk to him. She go they pay me because she need to talk to the guy, you know.
Nah,
So
son.
I got to understand from time that the woman just wanted me and my husband to have our way in her marriage. She didn't want to interfere, which is good. And she go come my house. In fact, if she stay 1 week, and they come off from kitchen, maybe she help us cook well.
You say don't turn on to they milk
had that
the
relationship,
opportunity.
which is good. And a lot of mother-in-laws really are good.
Yes, I agree completely with you.
Thank you very much, Furo. Thank you.
We agree completely with you.
Back to within that
yes,
guy.
you know say fine doesn't agree with you, Furo. So
Because
we
if
need
I-
to
if-
yes.
for if I-
If I saying a lie.
More.
So
More
what
90
can
bad.
the just man do?
From Lokaja, good evening. Hello. Hello.
The just man. The
Godwin.
just man.
This is the
Continue, Pastor.
You know, what can the
Oh,
just
hello.
man?
Hello.
He's a just one. He's a nice guy.
Continue.
Yes.
What can the just man do, Nedu?
Because in this life, it's justice and equity. The man confused his wife and his mama. These are two
How you want to
legitimate.
handle am?
These are two legitimate people in your life.
You understand?
Two
People they
legit.
happy when
Is
they
that-
say,
is it-
oh, your mother
I want-
don't die.
I want to ask
before
one question.
Okay,
they
easy
know
get
you.
question.
I refuse say the distance between the wife and the mother, most cases, now the men them because I don't know whether not true.
But now
Okay.
what you feel?
Well,
Yes.
well, not be in all cases. For instance, if your mama they very conservative, but you come out, go university, open up a bit, you don't come want that conservative, quiet, withdrawn woman. You come with someone they very outgoing, someone very.
Sorry, no vex. We'll come back. Fatima from Lafia.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, Nedu. Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I'm good, though. If you come, they talk, you don't marry.
You never marry you.
You get that experience.
You never marry you. In just one no.
Tell them, say, may you know they talk, or may you just they listen. No be say you go dey talk.
Oh, easy, did you not hear
All
now?
right, easy. Hold yourself.
Just keep quiet now. Now, which question you want to ask Pastor Fatima?
All right, the question is, it is from mother-in-laws,
Yes.
Where if the daughter, her own daughter, they get issues with the husband, she go they back the daughter. Then if the son again come they get issues, she go still back the son. You understand? You dey hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, we hear you.
Okay. So and sometimes the mother-in-law go dey do like say she like the daughter-in-law. Meanwhile, maybe she go come find out say the mother-in-law. I know one talk say whether not backbiting or something.
all of them
join anyway.
All join. So
which advice, Pastor?
okay.
We talk about
But you know, see that this the second question we asked now. Whenever enter the politics of wives and mothers.
Politics day now.
Politics, there's a serious
Politics day inside.
Everybody they play. Whenever I reach this one, those are very strategic. Where the husband bring matter, you go agree with them. Where the daughter-in-law bring matter, you go agree with them.
Of course.
Say we're doing this.
No, but honey, this thing we're going to
say yes.
Mommy, no.
Meanwhile, because you see, any way these things happen, if gbege happen, mother-in-law no dey lose. Think am. If gbege happen, mother-in-law no dey lose.
But not true.
Mother-in-law no go lose.
Hard when you hear mother-in-law lose.
How you go lose?
Hard.
Even if not separate, mother-in-law go still come next week. Come cook for him. Say, look, don't see, be strong, okay?
Yeah, man.
Man, be strong. Take it. I'm here, okay? This man, you have my number. Anytime at all, I put on Nubo. Go see. It's okay, okay? Look, I love you, okay? You're my son.
Yes. Anything you are food.
Yes.
From Abuja, good evening.
You know?
Hello.
And you know
Good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I'm fine.
I beg now, which question you get to ask Pastor Godson?
Okay.
Will they hear you?
Godson.
Bye.
Hello.
Okay,
Pastor, continue.
Yes. You know, so that question when she asked, we will get to him eventually.
But if find your own.
Yes, so where man they in between and in betwixt, you know, say
Yeah, in between and in betwixt.
when he did so, now the man suppose making wife feel safe first. Because mama know they run.
Mama did there.
Mama know they run. Not to when he vex finish lock up. Not to just enter out and jump prostrate for floor. Or hug him, say, mommy, not lie. You know, say, don't talk to say, I will talk to you. I love you, my mother. But if you don't protect that girl, most times when people get very burnt, now when the mother-in-law opinions don't become big deal to the son, and he telling brothers, telling sisters. So when she enter, he no know what he don't do to him. When he enter, come out, everybody just look, say, now you want to destroy our brother life. Now you want to destroy. And that's they get psychological toll on the woman because you no go ever day free. Sometimes they had, because these parts of the world, the woman go just shift go the man's side. Sometimes no too much talk they go on going back to her own side. When her sisters come, that's not basic. You just arrange everybody, now what can they do? But
okay.
Yes.
Sorry. Gloria, Moko will take your call. Good evening.
We get question for Twitter for you.
Gloria. Okay, thank you. No more calls. No more calls. Make we answer questions with it.
Yeah. So if for the just men like us, join your wife. Follow beg your mama. Join your wife. Follow beg the mama. Leave him to go settle himself. Where small cats, you never see where sea lions, mama. I mean, National Geographic, they teach me a lot of things. When you see sea lions, mama born, then go fish. If you leave that Peking, other sea lions go come chop them and nobody go talk. They go just, so when you throw your wife, small tiger, to big tiger, where bring up, you will eat her up. Except say not Chris, they worry him, and that one maybe no care whether mother-in-law like him or not. So in that case, join your wife, then help put mouth for your mama, so that peace go there for your own house.
So that you self go get peace.
So while you sleep well for night.
Okay.
Hey, your text, I say, Pastor, I beg, tell wives how can you handle a chronic mama's boy? It's very serious. Now, wetin
Okay,
you talk with you?
chronic mama's boy. Well, mama's boy, you know, say in that case, make your wife become your little mama.
May you they call her mom?
Make she be the one where they scrub your back, not be your mama again. You don't marry. Make she be the one where they feed you, not be your mama again. Make she be the one where, when you want to talk to your mama, talk to your mama on decisions, not they talk to mama on suggestions. Now your wife, you go discuss suggestions.
First of all,
One and take decision.
you
You go tell your mama.
tell your mama.
So you know they give room for too much input. Except say now maybe something concern her. You go meet your mama, say, and you know go leave an open-ended. You know go say I won't buy gifts for my wife, which I go buy. You go say I won't buy car, which color? I won't buy shoe, which type? So you minimize where now she get total control. Because when she come, and the daughter-in-law, they try to talk to him, he go laugh. You go say, no, they help you buy. You don't know, say, that gold chain.
Nah,
If
me.
not be me, who go buy you gold chain?
And you go pay the woman fit to
Of
sit down.
course,
Oh.
if you just send you text, maybe you don't do route as you go. She go send you text. So you are wearing gold, and you don't even know where that comes from. Please don't be rude. Talk to your husband.
That thing now go come make the relationship between the wife and
Strained.
the mother. You understand?
Yes.
And either they closer or you even see a
Scatter.
pass.
Yes.
Which other
Pastor,
question?
yeah, you know, I agree to you. Your courage is 101%. Your advice always on point.
And you guys always make my day cutting the next job. Okay, then, text. Any man that will allow his mom charge over his family or wife still needs more insight into marriage matter. Respect to moms, Sha. And the person here and Nedu and Katim are the solution for this topic. Okay, relationship Friday. Now, again, when you talk something about woman, and now when you answer a fine question, when you be say the guy they take side of a mother. Now me say when they travel, that woman where you call your wife, you don't they kill her already. Because she feel like she just there on her own.
If you
If
know
you travel,
they,
leave am.
you don't. It could be like a pussy where they fear.
You understand when they fear,
You don't
when lion
empower-
full
you
everywhere.
don't
She just there
empower
because she
your-
don't
yes.
know.
Don't empower, and then your mama could yours they come they do like say how
They
you
look
take talk
am.
am say
They
something
look
there
am
that say
anyhow.
get boy
For armpits. They be like say get boy for armpit. And the truth be say, if you don't handle them quick that time, the thing go dey increase.
Escalate. Go escalate.
Okay. Okay, Mo could take this last call. From Canada, good evening. Hello.
You know say na international that delay.
Okay, that delay for international call. Okay.
Make we try hear you.
Hello. Hello. Okay, maybe not the way I think they do am. Hello.
Try.
Hello.
Try.
Hello. Hello. I never asked my guy. Hello.
Have to put swear.
Hello, hey.
Yeah, man.
Hey, you're acting like a gay. Don't.
How are you doing, bro?
No, I don't think that. I'm a jabbo.
Sorry.
How you doing, my brother? High level, can man.
Now, all the
Question, please.
Okay, Mike, what will be your question to Pastor?
Pastor, I wanted to actually thank you for coming to this program, and I want you to come more again to a lot of programs. I'm in Canada, Toronto. I wanted to see if I can invite you to one of our programs in Canada as well. I don't know how often
Please
you
make that
travel.
happen.
No problem. Invite us. We dey come.
Please make it happen. I'll see whether I can carry Katim or they do, But make it happen and let me know. Sit Nedu, and they'll give you details on how to reach me, and then
Okay. I'll give them my I'll give them my full details,
yes, and work with him.
We actually want to make a Nigeria community great here in Toronto, and which of course I appreciate your doing over there. And for you, the Igbo man, Nedu,
Yes.
are you Igbo? Are you Yoruba?
My brother, I am all of them. I speak Yoruba,
You are
I speak
Nigerian.
Igbo, I speak Hausa, I speak Igala. I am a Nigerian.
You are so wonderful. And for you, Catherine, you are so spectacular. I love you today and always in your shape, okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
so
Mike.
much.
So please see, don't forget it, See Nedu and get your details.
Mike, thank you very much. Thank you for Canada. God bless you. So you see now, so you see that English, you know if you speak PJ not good. Now when I come say hello, so
Okay,
change
that hello.
hello.
Come
So
make
talk
a
am, talk am.
enter.
Now you open the network.
Hello.
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 Hello. I don't got my hello. Hello.
Neru, I don't know there for hello.
Hello. Easy be talking.
Hello.
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 I don't know there.
Anyway, Pastor Yai, over to you. Make we wrap up in the next 2 minutes. Now we'll get to wrap up.
So this first part,
we'll continue next week.
This first part, we could just establish, say, for the man life, he gets 2 or 3 women, but the 2 major ones, his sister day, his mama day, and his wife. But the 2 major people in the life of every man at that point in his life is his wife and his mother. How he handles both of them will determine how he enjoys the rest of his marriage.
Rest of his life.
or the rest of his life.
And to be a just man.
Okay, so as just men, ladies, please take care of your man. Help support him. When you have issues with his mom, talk to him. Okay, draw strength from the fact that he's the one that will talk to her.
Bam.
And don't try and create a battle. When 2 cats fight, the bigger cat.
In fact, the bigger cats
always. So don't even let it get there. Okay, so that's how we're going to end it today.
Anyway,
we see you when you get.
Next week Friday, we're going to continue this topic.
No, we get to continue
the politics of mother-in-law and other things when we say between wives and mother-in-law. We'll continue on next week Friday. But and I now we'll go back break for today. Double twirly to Pastor Ihianyi for handling the matter. Double twirly to all of our way call, and then to Mike Wake up from Canada. Thank you very much. Of course, to my Katim, beautiful as usual, always with fry hair, you know. And then to Easy Beat, where not the fry hair these days. I don't know.
Oh, you finished now.
Okay, now this weekend now you go fry. I'm talking more double twirly. All of our way call. Thank you, Annie Baba, Mini March, everybody. Thank you. Till next week.
Just say thank you to everybody.
Thank you to everybody. We're gonna get better weekend.
Bye bye. Introduction, I'm US singing and drew an audition. Another news, I'm in love, my boo, and another says another one above. Graduation, Shemo Jamagana, Shemo Jamagana, Shemo Jackie Fosu, Mofu Bagwe, I won't sue. Now we don't show the whole arena. We don't say Nigeria, Ghana. Another news, along the line, 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 along the line. Along the line, I see everybody dancing on the line, dancing on the line. If you know you got the move, bring it to the line, bring it to the line. Just pick a lady and take her to the line, take her to the line. But make sure you got protection.